a new package has come in from Sweetie Nail Supply. And this one is in part thanks to you guys. So I decided to use some of my affiliate funds as well as a wonderful gift for my birthday from my family. Thank you so much.
This is that box?
This is that box.
What? You didn't tell me that.
This is that box.
So excited for you.
So I didn't have to pay for all of it myself, which I always usually do.
Oh, these are going to be so pretty.
So,
I can't wait.
This time, some of this. Ooh. Okay, so this one is, this was a clearance set because they were doing a bunch of clearance stuff. And I have not tried this brand yet. Look at this packaging.
Oh my God,
this is really cool. I don't usually go for packaging, but this is kind of funky. This is kind of funky. Oh, and I'm here with Nail Bestie Carrie. Sorry. So this is called Mostive. I think it was something like that. And I've never tried this brand. I'm trying to find the name of it here. That is cool. Mostive or Mostive. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't usually care about packaging, guys. I don't like packaging. I still, because I have to throw this out afterwards. But this is fucking... Pardon me. This is really cool. This is really kind of neat.
It is really cool.
Okay, so... this is, I think this is just solid colored gels, but I'd never tried this brand before. I'm not even sure if they're syrup. I'm still not sure.
Very pretty.
They could be syrup or they could be a cream. I'm not sure. I don't know if it says on here anymore, or even if it did say, if I would be able to read it. But yeah, they were clearing out, so I thought I would give this brand a try. So we'll see. And there were some really neat colors in there. So yeah, just says color gel. It does not say syrup or not syrup or anything else, but that's a cool one. So, and that was just a bonus. That wasn't the reason I went in to buy stuff. It was just like, oh, what do you mean? There's clearance stuff? Well, I guess I'm adding something else to my cart. It's like that story I put up on my Instagram the other day. It was like, oh, I need a new top coat. Well, seeing as how I'm here, I may as well get 8 color gels and 4 of these and 6 of those and whatever else so that I don't have to pay for shipping, right? Free shipping? Like, who doesn't want free shipping? Okay, so I'm going to go to this one next because I know what this is. So originally, I was saving up to get not this one, but the next set that I'm going to show you. But this was so pretty that I couldn't not. I just couldn't not. All right. So this is the Aurora Glaze magnets, and this is the one that has those
stickers,
powders with it. Not that I don't have a ton of powders already, but it just looked like it was really cool. Okay. And this is one I've never tried before either. These are called Bandai.
Oh my God.
Or Bandy.
Cool.
These are pretty bottles, eh?
Yes, I love the bottles.
I know. These are really neat bottles.
Oh my God, I didn't even see the...
Look at that, eh? So these have like, like some funky Aurora color to them. And they're a magnet gel.
Oh, they're a magnet gel.
Yep. And then it comes with a special mirror top gel for doing these powders, right? So these are your Aurora powders.
Oh, wow.
There's lots in there. So can you see the shimmer?
Oh, I can now.
On the lid there. There's the flash. I think one's peachy and one's greeny or something like that. So yeah, this looked like a pretty little collection.
Yeah, it is.
And
so cute.
Just the colors, I love Aurora colors. And the fact that they're Aurora colors and magnet, like, I want to see what that's going to do. So yeah, there's the Aurora Bandy collection. And so originally I was looking at I think it was the Devok New Moon, I think it was, that came out. And then, so I was eyeballing that one because I wanted some of those cool cat eyes that are like more nude colors and the mirror look and just the softer cat eyes. But I came across this magnet glaze collection, glaze magnet, and was like, well, there's 20 of them in there. This thing's heavy. Holy moly. I guess 20 polishes.
Yeah, there's tape on like
gets
every
weighted.
side.
Oh yeah, all 4 sides.
I think so.
Because it's weighted.
Oh, that's the only side there's not tape
okay.
on.
Oh, that's some heavy stuff. Heavy stuff. Oh, here. I'm gonna get these out of there. And you want to take that box away from me?
Yeah, sure.
Take it away. We don't need the rest of that. All right. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. I see. There's a box. I don't want to throw it away. Look at that. That's a nice heavy box.
Oh my
Look at all that. So there are all kinds of different soft. They're called those mirror magnet. Look, I think I can't wait to swatch these. Here, I'm gonna pause and go closer. Okay.
It's like getting a box of shiny new crayons.
Isn't it?
It's like you need to look at all the colors because all I can think about is, oh my god, I need to see all the colors in
When
there.
you're a kid and you're like, let
Yeah,
me
you're like,
see
oh,
all
look
the
at this purple,
shinies.
look at this silver, look at this pink.
So there's like 3 different
wow.
styles of magnet gels in here. So one of them was the more mirror finish with like a really soft color. The other one was, ooh, look at that.
It's very true to the color on the outside of the bottle. I
Yeah,
find, so
yeah,
that's
they're
good.
doing good with that. And then
That's very smart.
I can't remember. Then one of them was like, an
Ooh.
is that a,
I'm into the like whites nudes
The neutrals?
these days. I don't know why. We had that whole conversation that one time about like how neutrals are kind of like meh.
doing? Yeah,
Yeah, right? But like I don't
on,
know what
man.
it is. Like I'm into neutrals these days.
You're having a neutral thing
I
now?
am. I'm having a neutral. Like look at
Wow.
that. That's kind of that's a little
See, look.
brown.
Okay, so here's the weird
That's
ones.
tawny.
It's got like, look at this one has
Like
got
gold.
what's that? Aurora. That
Yeah.
Aurora color, right? So it's gonna be different Aurora colors than that other collection there.
Yeah.
But it's, I think, got that kind of funky Aurora look. I don't know why my camera is like zooming in and out. Maybe I have a setting on that I shouldn't. I'll have to check that later. Ooh, look
Ooh,
at that.
that's
eh?
not true to the color on
Yeah,
the bottle.
no.
That's very
But that's that cool Aurora look again.
like yeah, like
This one.
that's really pretty. That's a pretty like powder blue.
So what is this one?
It's
Oh, gosh.
lighter powder
That's
blue.
no good. Okay, so look, the shimmer is different in them,
Oh,
right?
okay.
The finish will be different. So yeah, these are ones I'm going to have to swatch to see
Pick from
what the
middle of
differences
it.
are like.
You're only doing the
green
signs.
ones.
What are you doing?
It's like, what's in the middle?
Yeah, like purple has to be in the middle somewhere.
I don't really see any purple.
What?
I know. Did I show this one yet? This is like
That's
the closest thing to purple I saw.
That's like that's kind of purple.
That's kind of a
Yeah,
purple.
that's kind of
It's a
purple.
plummy
It's like mauve.
mauve. Yeah, like a
Mauve.
mauvey movie. I don't see a purple in here. Oh, this is not exactly like bright purple, but
It's still pretty.
that is pretty.
It's like a
Look at that.
lilac.
That'll be nice. See, I don't have anything like these yet. I don't think.
Yeah, that's pretty. It's like
Yeah.
a baby purple.
That's the most purpley I'm seeing in here, though.
Great.
Yeah, they're very different.
Ooh, that one's pretty.
This is a pinky purple.
Ooh. It is like a
Pinky purple. Yeah.
So very pretty.
Yeah, so these will be fun. I can't wait. I'm very excited for those.
Yes.
And then
Yes, those are very nice.
a little more boring, a little more on the boring side. I've always wanted to try Crazy Top. You see it all the time. People using, oh no, this is one that they sent me. That was very, very awesome of them.
What do they send you?
An overlay gel.
What's an overlay gel?
So it's like for example, let's say you want to grow out your natural nails. There's other ways
Okay.
to use it too, but if you want to be growing out your natural nails,
Yeah.
then we could use an overlay gel on them, and that will strengthen them and
Okay.
help them keep them nice and strong while they grow out.
Okay.
So there's this stuff called Crazy Top. Sorry, that's squeaking.
I usually don't have an issue with that, but for
There's
some
two.
reason...
It's my gloves doing it, right? The squeaking. So there's this stuff called Crazy Top. You see it on lots of the Instagram nail peoples and stuff, and it does that really thick topping for encapsulating like giant gems that you're doing,
Okay.
or
Yeah.
different things like that. And it's used a lot in Korean nails and stuff. Usually it's in a big, like the smallest size was like a big 25-gram jar for, hefty price point. And to me, I was like, I'm not going to use that much of it, right? Like I don't do those kinds of nails all the time. So, you know, it wouldn't make that much sense. But then they came out with smaller ones.
Okay.
There's two different, there's standard and there's thick. And the thick is what we're going to use to try doing those strokes, the brush strokes in the nails, because this is a no wipe. So I use this on it and then do this brush strokes and then cure it. And you don't have to top coat it. You're done. This is the top coat, right?
Oh, okay.
And it stays thick enough so that you don't have to put anything else on top of it to ruin that wavy thing. So we're going to be able to do those now. And, oh, sorry, the squeaking. I'll do it quick.
No, it's okay. Go ahead.
And then this, not even sure. This is called gum gel. It's Gin Bee Ivy gum gel. And it looked like it might be fun. It's like super, super sticky stuff. I can't remember what it said that it was really good for, but I was like, oh, I could try that. I could use that. That would be cool. Yeah, I can't read it. There's no English. I don't remember what it was. Something came to mind and I was like, oh, I think one of the things was that it's very thick for putting on rhinestones and different things like that. Very, very sticky. So if you're putting down crystals or things that are like say we're going to do charms, right? Put down big heavy charms.
Yeah.
If you're using some of the rhinestone glue or different things to put them on, they'll slip and slide around on the nail. We've come across that before where it's slipping and sliding and you're trying to keep it in place. And so this stuff is supposed to be super sticky. So you put it there, you put your thing in and it's going to stick and stay there and not be slime and sliding around on the nail, right?
Usually you're trying to like slide it around and then cure it.
Yeah, exactly, so right? And put things in. It's like, oh, it keeps shifting. And I fight with that all the time. Even just doing things like studs and whatever, small stuff and you're trying to design, put a specific design in there or have a straight line. Yeah. And everything just keeps going and sliding around and stuff. No, that's frustrating. Yeah. So I'm hoping this is what it says it is. It's super sticky and it's just going to sit there and stick. And then you just top coat over it and you're good to go. So that's all that, well, not all, like that's some pretty good, that's some pretty good haul. That's some pretty good haul coming on here. So I've got like 20, 30, 40, I got like another 40 colors to swatch through, and I'm not finished the other ones yet, but I'm getting there. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye.